Hi guys, so here are all the ingredients we are using. So here we got 250 gram of margarine. In this case, I'm using buttercups. We got 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and then we are using half cup of corn flour. Okay, and this is brown sugar. We use 1.25 cup of brown sugar. And then this is cocoa powder. It's about 2 big spoon of cocoa powder. Okay, for the cocoa powder, I'm using I forgot the brand, but you can use any brand. But if you want more taste and more good taste, you can have a premium brand so that your cookies will be more good taste. So here we just use only 2 big spoon of cocoa powder. Don't try to add up some more cocoa powder, because if you use lots of cocoa powder, it will affect the texture of the cookies. The cookies will become more harder. It's not crunchy. So this is what we call it, chocolate chip. In this case, I'm using 2 cups of chocolate chip. We want to have every bite of the cookies to have a chocolate chip. So if you want more, you can add up some cup of chocolate chip. So in this case, I'm using 2 cups. So next is baking powder. So the baking powder, we just use about 1 small teaspoon of baking powder. Next is baking soda. I mean 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And next we have crunchy almond. Okay, I'm using 2 box, which is 100 grams, is equal to 1 cup of crunchy almond. So next we use sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil. And next is fresh milk. This one is you want to make 2 big spoon of fresh milk. And then lastly is 1 egg. Okay. Alright, so we can proceed to bake. Hello guys, so here I forgot to tell one ingredient. This is vanilla essence. We use it about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So here we go. This one we want.
Que temo ahogar. It starts with
One thing, I don't know why.